Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am wearing a shirt. So today I'm going to get my hair done after I think about 2 months without having my Pixie, 1 month without actually having my hair done. I'm finally going to do my hair. I'm actually going back to blonde, and I have noticed this trend in me where every 2 years whilst I've had a Pixie, I always go blonde, and the jig is up, and my 2-year black hair ginger hair warranty has run out of time, and now I'm going back to blonde. I'm hoping to keep it because I actually genuinely just want to go blonde. I genuinely am between a lot of like ideas as to what I want to have done to my hair. I'll put them around so you can see them, but I am pretty excited. I definitely had cold feet like last week because I was like, I don't know whether I just want to just relax my hair and go like my normal Pixie, but I want change and I really want to go blonde. Before I do all of that, I'm going to go to the cafe to eat something because I know I'm going to be in there for an hour. Not more. I know I'm going to be in there for ages because the blonde process is not for anybody who has anything to do that day. I think it's the best ice chai that I have had.
That's up there.
So what's #1 currently for ice chai latte, not chai latte tea?
Ice chai. I feel like we went to that.
Thank you.
I think we went to that place.
What's the matter?
I know Monique's somewhere out there shaking in her boots because I got a bun it out. I bun it out in a cab.
Purchase your track today.
Yeah, you went on 2. I was like, damn.
Yeah, I was like, thank you everybody, universe.
Right.
You gave me everything I wanted this year, and I love that feeling. But yeah, no, it was really nice. Just simple. I didn't want to do anything. I just wanted to sit around by a pool, and that's what I got to do. And I'm black.
Where did you go?
I went to Salon.
You went to South Africa? Yes. You're going big? You're going big.
That's what I tell you.
This is Iron.
the only bit that really needs it.
What's the matter?
Finger waves. No, I've actually noticed it for a while, but it was. You dumb area.
Okay, so here's my new hair. Look at the light. Thank you, light.
Okay.